So we've been down for breakfast and we're getting ready to go to
Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay Water Park. So we're gonna get a taxi there.
Volcano Bay.
Stay there for the day and then we come back. And do you remember where we're going tonight?
Watch hockey.
We're gonna watch an ice hockey game with the Solar Bears
Solar
in the
Bears.
Kia Centre, like a big arena in Orlando. So we got tickets to go and see that tonight. And we'll have a couple of beers. We're gonna taxi and get a couple of beers. Not you. Maybe you can have a beer. Do you want a beer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can have a bite of yours.
A bite of my beer.
A bite of the can.
Wow. All right. See
I'm
ya.
gonna eat you.
Not somebody's car. A model.
We're just walking from Cabana Bay. That's where we got the taxi to. Lisa's just bought a nice hat. And we're walking over to Volcano Bay now. So I'm guessing there's going to be a sign somewhere. We got told, go to the bus stop.
Really hot.
It is really hot, isn't it? Volcano Bay.
Resort guest entrance, room key required.
It's open. Oh no, are these all getting their tickets checked now? Yeah, Olive? Yeah. Come with. Olive wants to go as well. I don't mind taking her. Yeah. Not really. No, let's get you changed into your costume. I get that, but like, what's the emergency to get wet right now? What are today's hours? 10 till 5, is that, yeah?
Yeah, but I need to.
Oh, he's coughing. Look, this lady. Oh, wait there, Mummy needs the tickets. Right. See you next time, Volcano Bay. You were really good. Was Volcano Bay good?
Yeah, it's good.
Olive?
Yes. American bug.
We liked it. Olive went on probably the worst ride you can do as soon as we got there, because we coasted onto it. It was quite extreme, maybe a bit too extreme, because after that she didn't want to go on anything else. She wanted like some lazy rivers and rapids and stuff like that, but that's about it. What do you think?
I tried them all.
So Olive has got a mini melts ice cream rainbow ice, it's called.
It's
like-
not ice cream.
It's like Dippin' Dots.
It's not ice cream.
It's not ice cream, they're like frozen things.
Sour.
They're sour.
Yeah, I like it.
What would you give it out of 10?
10.
10. And we're currently in Cabana Bay, because it's right next to Volcano Bay. We just sort of sneaked in here, really. Someone let us in, just because we wanted to sort of see the vibes here, because this could be a future hotel. And it's nice. It's all right. I mean,
We're gonna have a try.
me and Lisa have just bought 2 beers, so those 2 beers there, just for reference, you know, no, whatever, was $30 for those 2 beers, so it's about £25 for them 2 beers. And I'm going to try a bit now, so.
Like a frozen nerd.
Nice.
No, it's not for me. No, it's not for me at all.
I just got a big bit.
What do you think?
Nice.
Think of the beer?
It is nice. It's just expensive.
Let's go, Solar Bears. Hoorah, hoorah.
Your supervisor of officials is now fans to the supervisors. What's the biggest numbers for Ireland?
That's a very different story.
On defense, number 27. On defense, number 44, Stevie Lesko.
Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! I don't know. Go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! They're cleaning the ice. Zamboni. Yeah! Woo! Ha ha ha.